All right, Claire earns the same pay for each day she works at a new job. She deposits a weekly paycheck into her savings account. We have the X's and the Y's. And the first thing we did is we're going to subtract 250 minus 130 and get 120. 370 minus 250 and get 120. We're going to do the same for the other side. 10 minus 5 is 5, and 15 minus 10 is 5. All right, our slope is, or our delta y over delta x is 120 over 5, but it's not $24. Okay, that's the slope. It's asking for the starting, what was in her savings account when she started. We need to remember that in y equals mx plus b, b is that starting point. Okay, so when x is 0, this is the y-intercept. Okay, when x is 0, this is the y-intercept. So there is no 0 here. So we're going to take this table backwards. We're going to go 130 minus 120 and get 10. So 10 is going to go right there because we're taking it backwards. So we went instead of plus 120 to get this, we went 130 minus 120 to get 10. And now, instead of going plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, we're going to go 5 minus 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So, once again, when x is 0, the y value is the y-intercept. That is a rule, that is a trick. When x is 0, this is the y-intercept. All right, and the y-intercept is the starting point in the equation. And this, so how much did she start with? $10.